Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this super cool professional slushy and frozen drink maker. Thank you guys again for sending this. This is very reminiscent of one of those machines that's inside of a gas station that kind of churns your smoothies, and this is a large capacity unit, which is amazing. So this unit here actually holds up to 64 ounces worth of liquid. You can actually make frappuccinos, you can make margaritas, you can make any kind of alcoholic, non-alcoholic drinks in this. Really super cool. I think you can even turn some kind of a milkshake in this. So really cool design. Really liking the fact this plugs into a standard 110 outlet. Cord seems to be very well and on point. We're going to go ahead and plug it in here and allow this to power on. Now that it's powered on, you've got these 6 pre-made options here that you can do. It also does come with a nice fitted drip tray, which is a great option there, as well as a few additional spare parts, a couple of smaller seals and a bigger seal as a replacement, as well as a little piece to lock your handle in place. So that's nice that they provide you those extra ones. Handle feels really nice, and like the fact that it's spring loaded. Before I go ahead and make my drink, I wanted to show you a couple other things. To unlock this, very simple, tilt this up. It's now in unlock position. You can now slide this out. This slides out for easy cleaning. This part slides off, and that's all there is to it. I mean, it has a self-clean option on there. So once you actually get done, you actually can use a self-clean option to do that. But let's go ahead and get this thing slid on here and kind of show you how we're going to make this. It goes together like that. Again, holds up to 64 ounces in here. We're going to go ahead and put this in here. And it's got a minimum and a maximum level over here on the side. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing filled up and get this started. Now once we're going to get that on, you're going to close this little lid and we're going to power it on. And we're just going to do ourselves a slush because that's what I was thinking we're going to try to do. So we're going to put it on slush. Now this is nice because it doesn't require any ice. So all this is going to do is it actually will be super cooling this middle cylinder piece here, scraping it off, pushing it to the front, and keep blending it together so that it constantly works. You know, this should take anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes depending on how cold the liquid is and, you know, what liquid you're actually using. And we'll come back and show you what this slushy looks like here in about 15. So we've been going here about 20 minutes. This is some strawberry lemonade juice slush, and I mean, it is actually really slushing up now. Very nice. Everything looks really super smooth, very consistent. I'm going to go ahead and dispense some here so that you can kind of see what we're looking at here. I mean, I don't exactly know what you're expecting, but that's some slushy right there. I'm actually going to need a spoon to eat this with. It's actually so thick, but the consistency and everything in this is very uniform, very good, very cold. This would be perfect for any kind of alcoholic, non-alcoholic, ice cream, coffee, whatever you want to do, and the large capacity should make it great for anyone in your family. So we had a great slushy. I'm loving the fact this also has a self-clean feature. So we're just going to turn it on. You're going to press and hold the rinse button here for a few seconds. It's going to come on. It's going to start counting down. Now to do that, you're going to go ahead and fill up the water to the max level, and you're going to go ahead and put it on there with just lukewarm water, and just let it run completely through. It's going to kind of go through everything, get everything all nice and rinsed off, and then you can just dump this out and purge it out, and you're ready to go for next time.